ICC's second annual Supply Chain Financing Summit 2013 was a unique opportunity to learn from experienced world banking leaders about their visions and strategy with regards to global supply chain finance. During the summit, they discussed about pros and cons of the recently adopted bank payment obligations. The summit was held in Paris on 6-7 November and it was organized by the International Chamber of Commerce.
The BPO is a bank-to-bank undertaking. So we need two banks. It could be two banks, two branches of the same banking group in two different countries possibly, or even domestically if we take it to the extreme level. But the BPO is a roaming system, if you compare it to the GSM protocol in the mobile industry, to enable competitive players, two banks, to work together in order to address their respective customers' needs.
Monday, we had a corporate event, so Deutsche Bank, in the lovely city of Stuttgart, so the heart of the German mid-cap industry, and we invited 70 clients, 70 people to join us, and we wanted to debate BPO. It's basically corporates in the range of 500 to 10 billion turnover. I have heard not a single question, why BPO? What is the difference to an LC? That was not even a question. It was only the question, how? How you banks want to make it operate?
Speakers also talked about the main inputs of the second annual Supply Chain Financing Summit.
The main difference between this summit and last summit is that we got more from the technicalities and explaining what supply chain is to what are the challenges of the product, what are the challenges of the industry, and where do we go next. So last time we were still focused pretty much to the banking side. What does it mean for banks? A huge focus on BPO. Now we're talking more and more about the industry, and in particular in the corporate world.
So we have to help our corporate clients to better manage risk, and this is what we can do.
The ICC Banking Commission would be glad to welcome you to the next edition of the Supply Chain Financing Summit.